When it comes to improving your home's comfort and energy efficiency, the right windows can make all the difference. For homeowners in Meridian, awning windows provide an excellent combination of ventilation, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. These versatile windows not only enhance the overall look of your home but also help reduce energy costs and improve indoor air quality. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating an awning-like effect. This unique design allows them to provide continuous ventilation while keeping rain, dust, and debris out. They are commonly installed in kitchens, bathrooms, and living spaces where fresh air and natural light are essential. How awning windows enhance ventilation? It allows for continuous airflow. The outward opening design of awning windows allows fresh air to enter even during light rain. Unlike traditional sliding or double-hung windows, which may need to remain shut during inclement weather, awning windows can stay open, maximizing airflow throughout your home. Reduces indoor pollutants. Proper ventilation is key to maintaining healthy indoor air quality. Awning windows help expel stale air and indoor pollutants, such as cooking odors, smoke, and humidity. This is especially beneficial in rooms like the kitchen and bathroom, where moisture buildup can lead to mold and mildew growth. Promotes cross-ventilation. Pairing awning windows with other window styles enhances cross-ventilation, allowing warm air to escape and cool breezes to flow in. This natural cooling effect reduces the need for air conditioning, creating a comfortable and refreshing indoor environment. How awning windows improve energy efficiency. Superior insulation. Awning windows are designed with tight seals and weather-resistant framing, preventing air leaks and heat transfer. Many models come with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills, all of which improve insulation and reduce energy consumption. Reduces cooling costs. Because of their excellent ventilation properties, awning windows help keep your home naturally cool, reducing reliance on air conditioning. By lowering your cooling costs, you'll see significant savings on your energy bills over time. Maximizes natural light. These windows allow ample natural light into your home, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. More daylight not only saves energy but also enhances mood and productivity while making your living space feel more open and inviting. Enhances weather protection. The top hinged design of awning windows helps prevent water from entering your home during rainfall. This means you can keep your windows open for ventilation without worrying about water damage or drafts, which can negatively impact your home's energy efficiency. Additional benefits of awning windows for Meridian homeowners: space saving and versatile. Awning windows are an excellent choice for small spaces or hard-to-reach areas, such as above kitchen sinks or in bathrooms. Their compact design makes them ideal for enhancing ventilation without taking up too much wall space. Increased security. these windows feature multi-point locking systems, making them more secure than traditional sliding or casement windows. Their outward opening design also limits access from the outside, adding an extra layer of protection for your home. Aesthetic appeal and home value. Awning windows add a modern, stylish look to any home. Available in various frame materials, colors, and finishes, they can be customized to match your home's architectural style and design preferences. Installing awning windows can also increase property value, making your home more attractive to potential buyers. Upgrade your Meridian home with energy-efficient awning windows. If you're looking for a window solution that enhances ventilation, boosts energy efficiency, and adds a touch of elegance, awning windows are a fantastic choice for your Meridian home. Their practical design allows you to enjoy fresh air, lower energy bills, and a healthier indoor environment year-round. To explore your options and learn more about the benefits of awning windows, contact a trusted window installation expert in Meridian today. With professional installation and high-quality materials, you can transform your home's comfort and efficiency with beautiful, durable awning windows.